Hello, good everyone. You are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my face, seeing my videos, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, we are making fried yam and gizzard. This recipe, you need to try it. You need to make it for your family. So let's go into this video, my people. As you all can see, I have some carrots, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, onions, garlic, and ginger with some atarado, and that is what we are doing. So after me blending it, my people, here is me frying it. Okay, so the next you'll be seeing is my seasoning cube. I bet my people now again with the color. These are the spices that I have in my kitchen that I'm using: curry powder, nutmeg, and what's it called again, thyme. So everything you are using to make your food, that's what I'm using here. So the next thing you are seeing here now, my people, is my gizzard. Okay, so this is me mixing my gizzard with some salt and curry powder and others. Okay, so here now we are going to be frying the gizzard. Okay, so my people, if you don't watch this video, they reshare. You never follow this my page, you never subscribe to my YouTube channel. Papa, mama, auntie, uncle, what are you waiting for? Yeah, now make una help una sister, help your girl, help a mother. By doing that, may God bless you all as una take the support. And to my returning subscriber, my returning followers, I say may God highly bless you all as una take the support una get. So my people, let's continue with our video. This is our gizzard, is almost ready. This is the yam we are going to be using. So this is me slicing my yam. This is the way I want to slice it, not too big and not too small. Okay, this is the type I want. So the next thing you are seeing, my people, this is our gizzard. I think the gizzard is almost ready. So let's start fried our yam. My people, I don't mind this my pot. Not because I don't get fried pan, I get, but I don't want to use too much oil. Say fry pan, if you put it for fire, you need to put a lot of oil. So me, I don't want that one. So that's why I'm using this my small pot. When I don't mind me. But the main thing they say, make the food sweet, and then everything go. So this is another green pepper, red pepper, and yellow pepper that I'm slicing. We are going to be using this one to garnish the yam after everything. This is my carrot. I slice it in a smaller pieces. Okay, so here is our stew. Our stew is ready. Now we are putting our carrots because we need the carrots to be a little bit dark. Okay, so after that, my people, I will be adding my gizzard. By this time, when I know that my neighbor, when they come, they say, "Madam, you have started again. What are you cooking here?" She don't still come. So this one now, my people, this one here now, sweet potato. Okay, now my daughter can't ask me, say, "Mama, you didn't put sweet potato." I was like, "That's true." Okay, since I still have some in my kitchen, and we added it to the yam that we fried before. So here is the stew with the gizzard and the carrot. So the next thing now we are going to be adding our fried yam. This time around, the aroma that was coming out in my kitchen will not be here. My people, I beg, try this recipe and you will thank me later. Please remember, if you try this, leave it on the comment section to see how it goes, if it was good or not. So give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and thank you guys for watching. Always remember to share my video and follow for more. Thank you guys for watching, and the video is almost ending and our food is ready. So let's dive into this food. Let's eat this food, my people. See this food. If you eat this food, then the kind of sleep when you go sleep. Me, I don't eat my own, and now I'm going to my or in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. May God bless you all. Bye.